Hello and thanks for joining me. I'm at the Scottish Motorcycle Show and I'm having a look at the new BSA Gold Star range. Now this is the first chance I've had to have a real good close look at these bikes. So it's very interesting. They've got quite a few of them here at the show. This is the Saltire Motorcycles stand. I have to say there's a great deal of interest in these bikes. There's lots of people looking at them, and not just old codgers like me, a wide range of people. And I think this is clear indication of the direction that biking is going in at the moment. If you have a look around at the show, and the Scottish show's not a huge show, but if you have a look at what other manufacturers are here, it is dominated by retro bikes, by classic bikes like this. There's the BSAs here, of course. There's Triumph here. There's Royal Enfield have got a big stand. CCM have got a big stand. There's Indian motorcycles, which I'm going to go and have a look at in a minute, and Harley Davidson. So they're all these retro style bikes. It's noticeable, no sports bikes at all. The other bikes here are mainly dirt bikes and adventure bikes. So having said all that, it seems to me that BSA have really hit the mark with these bikes. They've got that classic retro styling, which obviously draws upon the original Gold Star. And they're very simple bikes, very, mechanically very simple, but nice, clean, simple lines as well. BSA seem to have got the pricing right as well. These bikes are priced from £6,500 to just over £7,000, ones on the display here. So it'll be very interesting to see how well these bikes do in terms of sales and in terms of longer term performance, whether people get on with them. I have to say, I like what I see here. I'm impressed. There's some of the finishing touches are, not great, but other people have already talked about that in reviews. On the whole, I think these are going to be a success. Yeah. Anyway, time will tell. I hope you found that interesting. Quick look at the BSA bikes. Thanks for watching.